In the name of Allah who is most kind and merciful. Honorable Chief Guest, respected teacher and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Today the topic of my speech is Kashmir. I start my speech with this poetry. याराने जहाँ कहते हैं कि कश्मीर है जन्नत, याराने जहाँ कहते हैं कि कश्मीर है जन्नत, जन्नत किसी काफिर को मिली है न मिलेगी. Kashmir is a piece of heaven on this earth. This is a land which is replete with a large number of amazing scenes. The sky-kissing mountains, the torches, the dense forest, the twisting lakes, the snow-peaked peaks, and lush green sceneries add and weigh to our eyes. Nobody can deny the God-gifted beauty of this land. But alas, the inhabitants of Kashmir have been suffering from slavery since 1947. The majority of them are Muslim and this is their basic fault. They are becoming a hostile Indian army which thrusts them more than that of animals. हर तरफ खिले हुए गुलाब हैं, हर तरफ खिले हुए गुलाब हैं, हर गुलाब में हजार ख्वाब हैं, ख्वाब उम्र भर के अजाब हैं, पानियों पे जिस तरह हुबाब हैं. The most of population of Kashmir is Muslim, so the clear ideology of two-nation theory applies there. But even in 21st century, there is a law of jungle in Kashmiris. India is committing the war crime, but United Nations and other champions of human rights are silent. This is not a silent, but this is for you crime. They are blind, they are deaf, they are dumb. Why? Yes, because the victim is Muslim community. Today I want to add my personal view with this poetry. खून फिर खून है बहता है जम जाता है, खून फिर खून है बहता है जम जाता है, जुल्म पे जुल्म बढ़ता है तो मिट जाता है. At the end I just want to say that to be silent over cruel act is also called cruelty. The entire Muslim world should raise its voice in the favor of Kashmiris.